Hi guys, what's up YouTube? Okay, I just bought this Durango SRT 475 horsepower and I'm extremely happy. I had one Challenger SRT 392 and Dodge Ram 2015 1500 with 5.7 engine, both amazing truck and car, but I wanted to put like both words together, so I decided to get the Durango. Later on another video I can explain why, but right now I'm on my way because I'm very fond of the V8 sounds, right? And I wanted to do a mid-muffler delete on this one, so hear this out. This is the sound inside the car, the SUV, and I like it, but I want it to make more noise, you know, like very nice sound as the V8 does. So I want you, for those that would like to know the difference, this is the stock muffler, stock exhaust system. So I think it's a good opportunity. I was searching on the YouTube to see who did that, and some of the YouTubers, they did it, and it sounded great. And I did already the mid-muffler delete on the other two, so I know already the outcome of this. So the purpose of this video is to show you guys how this is gonna sound after I do the mid-muffler delete. Right now I'm just driving straight to the store, to the shop, and see what's gonna happen. I'll take a few other shots for you guys, so you guys can see how this is gonna sound. Okay, talk to you soon. Okay, so here's the scoop. When I do this, see the box in the middle? That's the suitcase they call. We're gonna cut this suitcase out, cut it off, put a straight pipe right here, for those who wanna know. Okay, there's the suitcase, guys. This is what was cut out. This is what they call, this is actually YouTube, man. Is it? Yes. So this is the suitcase. Okay, after they install the mid-muffler, I'm gonna drive it for a while and see if I'm gonna like it or not. If not, then I'm gonna come for the resonators, which are the ones here in the back. So we'll see, just so you guys know. Results, guys. This is a V8. Yes. Woohoo! We're back here. This is what you hear when the windows open. I think it's nice. Now here's the final thing. Sounds very good. It sounds good like that, but in high speed, when you're revving in high rotation, I honestly, I don't know, I'm not sure about it. It's very very noisy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. We'll see. I'll let you guys know.